Welcome back, guys. So this is the third video in the pattern series in DSA. So in previous videos, we have seen square pattern and star pattern. And in this video, we are going to take a short look over inverted star pattern. Okay, so we'll move. It's perfect. Yeah. So we have looked over star pattern. We have found the correct logic for it. We have used the concept of nested loop. So similarly, we have to print inverted star pattern just opposite to star pattern. Okay, so this is the thing what we have to print here. So we'll try to build the logic. Okay, so see here, I'll use this pointer. In the first line we have to print 4 stars. In the second line we have to print 3 stars. Similarly on third line we have to print 2 stars and then next one. Okay, so I can find the logic. I'll give a short hint. We have a very similar code to this, just we have to look over this term. We have to find the logic that how much times we have to print the stars on each line. Okay, so yeah, we'll start building the logic. When I is equals to 1, we have to print 4 stars. Okay, that is s equals to 4, or the inside, that is j equals to 4. Then when I equals to 2, we have s equals to 3 stars. When I equals to 3, it is s equals to 2. And similarly, when I equals to 4, it is s equals to 1. So I can find something like this here. Isn't it the same thing what we are doing? So it is I equals to 1. We have to find the relation between n and I for s. Okay. And n is equals to 4 here because n is the number of lines. ठीक है, तो s equals to 4 कैसे आएगा? This is 4 minus 1 plus 1. Okay, so this 4 is nothing but this is n. N minus 1 plus 1. Okay, here this is n minus I plus 1. Isn't it? 4 minus 2, that is 2. 2 plus 1, 3. Similarly, n minus I plus 1, that is 4 minus 3 plus 1. So this is the logic what we want to print this inverted star pattern. Okay, similarly for this 4 minus 4 plus 1. Okay, so the logic is this: j equals to n minus I plus 1. Okay, तो star pattern में क्या करते थे कि like we were putting the outer loop for I equals to 1 to I less than equals to 4. So yeah, we were running 4 times a loop. Then in inside loop we were doing for in j equals to 1, j less than equals to I, j plus plus, and s out print star. Okay, we are printing the number of stars which is well equal to I. ठीक है, मतलब I अगर 1 है तो I times मतलब 1 times star print होगा. But here we have found the logic. So when this j will appear, our stars will print this much times, n minus I plus 1 times. Okay, so see this logic. Okay, the only change in this code is this term j less than equals to I, j less than equals to n minus I plus 1. So हमारा जो इनर लूप है, मतलब इनर लूप हम किसके लिए यूज करते हैं? हम स्टार्स प्रिंट करने के लिए यूज करते हैं, लाइक हाउ मेनी टाइम्स वी आर गोइंग टू प्रिंट अ स्टार. ओके, सो j less than equals to n minus I plus 1 times and j plus plus. Okay, तो मतलब just see here for int I equals to 1, फर्स्ट टाइम जब लूप ट्रैवर्स करेंगे तब i इक्वल्स टू 1 होगा. तो कब तक हम ट्रैवर्स करेंगे? लाइक फॉर इंट j इक्वल्स टू 1, ओके, एंड j लेस दैन इक्वल्स टू n माइनस i प्लस 1. ठीक है, i इक्वल्स टू 1 है यहाँ पे, सो दैट मीन्स n इक्वल्स टू 4 एंड 4 माइनस i, दैट इज 4 माइनस 1 प्लस 1. Okay, isn't it 4? Yeah. So 4 times print करेंगे, हर time star एक print होगा, 4 stars print हो गए. Similarly for all the loops. Okay, so turn to this code. We will make another file. This is inverted star, inverted, inverted star.java. Okay, so I don't want to waste much time. We'll just copy paste. I hope it's the best link for now. Okay, just enter. Yeah, we have. Okay, public static void main for int I equals to analyzing 4, and we'll just remove this n minus I plus 1, and I think we have to define n as int n equals to 4 for this example, for our example. Okay, so I hope we are not doing any mistake here. Non-static variable n cannot be, okay, reference from a static context. So this is another thing. We have defined our n outside of this main function, which is not the good thing what we're doing. So delete this, is fine, and we'll run this. Okay, I hope we'll get the answer. Yeah, so this is the inverted star pattern. We'll find some another pattern in the next video. Thank you for watching.